CNC turning is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of computer numerical control (CNC) machines to create precise and complex parts. This process involves the use of a lathe machine that rotates the workpiece while a cutting tool removes material from the surface. The CNC machine is programmed to control the movement of the cutting tool, ensuring that the part is created to exact specifications. CNC turning is used to create a wide range of parts, including shafts, valves, and gears, among others. CNC turning is a highly efficient and accurate process that offers several benefits to manufacturers. One of the main advantages of CNC turning is its ability to produce parts with high precision and consistency. This is because the CNC machine is programmed to follow a specific set of instructions, ensuring that each part is created to the same exact specifications. Additionally, CNC turning is a fast process that can produce parts quickly and efficiently, reducing lead times and increasing productivity. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a wide range of industries. The company offers a range of services, including CNC turning, to help customers create high-quality parts that meet their specific needs. Berkness Company has the expertise and knowledge to provide customers with the highest level of service and quality. If you are interested in learning more about CNC turning or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. Here, you can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of the company's experts. Whether you are looking to create a custom part or need assistance with a complex manufacturing project, Berkness Company has the experience and expertise to help you achieve your goals. FAQs. 1. What is CNC turning and how does it work in manufacturing? CNC turning is a manufacturing process that involves the use of computer-controlled machines to shape and cut materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. The process involves rotating the material on a lathe while a cutting tool removes material to create the desired shape. The computer controls the movement of the cutting tool, ensuring precision and accuracy in the final product. 2. What are the advantages of CNC turning in manufacturing? CNC turning offers several advantages in manufacturing, including increased efficiency, accuracy, and consistency. The use of computer-controlled machines allows for faster production times and reduces the risk of errors or defects. CNC turning also allows for the creation of complex shapes and designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manual methods. 3. What types of materials can be used in CNC turning? CNC turning can be used with a wide range of materials, including metals such as aluminum, brass, and steel, as well as plastics, wood, and composites. The specific material used will depend on the requirements of the final product, such as strength, durability, and appearance. CNC turning machines can be programmed to work with different materials, allowing for flexibility in the manufacturing process. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.